During the close, the questions can be endless, but the time is limited. What's driving this balance? Are there any exceptions we need to flag before the auditors show up? The answers are in there somewhere buried across journals, eliminations, currencies, entities, so your team ends up hunting through reports, rebuilding views, exporting to spreadsheets, sign-off slows down, and the rework piles up. That's why we built Prophix One Consolidation Agent, your AI-powered investigation and validation assistant for the financial consolidation. Ask a question in plain language and get clear answers based on your audit trail data. And it's embedded within the workflow your team already uses. No pivot rebuilds, no filter digging, it's that easy. So let's walk through a real life scenario. My CFO needs answers now, but the spreadsheet's not ready and it will take me too long to build this view. And usually this is why I become stuck. But with the consolidation agent, all I have to do is ask. And in seconds, I've got my top asset contributors ranked at group level. I've got my total FX translation impact, and also what's exactly driving the gap between what the regions have reported and my consolidated numbers at group level. No exports, no rebuilds, and it's fully backed by my auditable data. And it never guesses. If an answer can't be backed up by my data, the consolidation agent will tell me. This means shorter review cycles, less rework for my team, and faster sign-off, with the confidence to stand by every decision. The questions don't slow down at the close, now neither do your answers.